Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're in the Instagram app and logged in. This saves time and avoids permission prompts. Once done, confirm the app is up to date so features appear. Now open the Stories camera by swiping right or tapping the plus sign and selecting Story. This is where the share sticker lives. You're executing the first actionable steps. Get to the Story Composer, enable camera or upload a photo, and prepare to add stickers and text. With your story media chosen, tap the sticker icon near the top. That opens Instagram's sticker tray. Next, type share in the search field or scan the tray. Instagram often lists interactive stickers like share, question, and poll together. Once you find share, tap to add it and then customize the prompt text or options. Resizing and positioning help visibility. You're now in the middle of the process, configuring what you want followers to share and how responses appear in your inbox. Finish by publishing to your story or sending to specific friends. Watchers can tap the share sticker and respond. Once published, check direct messages or interactions to view shared replies. If the share sticker doesn't appear, make sure your app is updated, clear cache or reinstall. Logging out and back sometimes forces new stickers to show. If that fails, use a mention or link share sticker as a reliable alternative to prompt shares from followers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.